Are you a pet lover who's remodeling or designing a new home and looking for ways to incorporate your furry family members in the design? Discover how you can create a pet-friendly paradise without sacrificing luxury. Hello, I'm Sophia Alonso from AV Architects and Builders. Today, we're talking about 10 innovative design ideas that can make your home a haven of style and comfort for both you and your pet. Imagine a raised pet shower in your mudroom or laundry area, complete with a leash hook for secure, stress-free bath times. By elevating the shower, you eliminate the need to bend over, making it more comfortable for you and less stressful for your pet. A pet wash station can be seamlessly integrated into a mudroom or laundry area, providing a dedicated space for keeping your pets clean without the mess spreading throughout the house. Consider adding built-in storage for pet shampoos and other grooming and pet essentials. A drawer for food storage can also be a game changer, keeping pet food easily accessible yet out of sight. These storage solutions help in maintaining an organized and clutter-free space. Dutch doors are perfect for homes with pets, as they provide a barrier without creating a sense of separation. This is particularly useful for keeping an eye on pets while they are in another room, or for preventing them from accessing certain areas of the house. They are also ideal for homes with small children, providing an additional layer of safety. The top half can be opened to allow for interaction and supervision, while keeping the lower half closed to maintain boundaries. Tile flooring is a practical choice for pet owners. It's durable, easy to clean, and resistant to pet accidents. With a wide range of styles and finishes available, tile can complement any home design. Tiles are also hypoallergenic, making them an excellent choice for families with allergies. They don't harbor pet dander or dust the way carpets can, contributing to a healthier home environment. Wall hooks for leashes are a simple addition that can make a big difference. They provide a designated spot for pet leashes and accessories, keeping them organized and easily accessible. This solution helps in avoiding the last-minute scramble to find leashes when it's time for a walk. Having a dishwasher specifically for pet items like bowls, spoons, and cups can be a game changer. It ensures hygiene and simplifies the cleaning process. This dedicated appliance can be a part of your utility room or mudroom, streamlining your pet care routine and keeping your pet items separate from your regular dishware. Specialized laundry can be particularly useful for homes with multiple pets, or for those who frequently engage in outdoor activities with their pets, ensuring that mud and dirt stay out of the main laundry area. It also helps in extending the life of your main laundry appliances by keeping them free from pet hair and dander. A pet sink can be a versatile addition to your home. It's perfect for quick washes for smaller pets or as a utility sink for cleaning all the pet-related items. Adding a spray nozzle can also enhance its functionality. This sink can be strategically placed in areas like the mudroom, laundry room, or even outdoor spaces for easy access. This feature allows for easy disposal of pet hair and debris, keeping your home clean and hygienic with minimal effort. The toe kick vacuum can be installed in areas where pets spend most of their time, such as the kitchen, living room, or near the pet's bedding. It's a discreet yet highly effective tool that makes maintaining a pet-friendly home more manageable. A doggy door leading to a covered patio provides your pet with the ability to go outside while ensuring they have a sheltered space to return to. This setup allows pets to enjoy the outdoors while the covered patio ensures they have a safe and comfortable space regardless of the weather. Designing a pet-friendly home doesn't mean compromising on elegance or style. At AV Architects and Builders, we specialize in creating custom spaces that cater to the comfort of your entire family, including your pets. Embrace these innovative ideas and let your home be a testament to the joy and companionship that pets bring, all while maintaining the luxury and sophistication you desire. Ready to create a custom pet-friendly paradise in your home? Visit our website for more information on our services or to schedule a consultation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into custom home building. Until next time.